Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an inexpensive, tall winter wonderland centerpiece. And so what you're going to need some of these icy gemstones. They're from Efavormart. You're going to need some white iridescent glitter, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these oval rhinestone buckles. They are from Totally Dazzle. Totally Dazzle is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzle's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need four of these taper candle holders. So you'll need 4 of these. You're going to need 2 of these glass candle holder plates. And if you can find this with the texture on it, that's fine, but if you can't and you just see the clear ones, either ones will do. I've got some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using these white roses and white poinsettias from Dollar Tree as well. I've got a floral foam ball here that I've cut in half. I picked this up at Michael's. But you can find floral foam balls from Dollar Tree in a pack of 3, and they're smaller than this. So either one will work. Now I'm going to be using some hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components of this permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this tall Winter Wonderland Christmas centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make and so inexpensive. And now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Okay, you guys, well there you have it. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give my video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.